Well, good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's me, Mitch. And I'm in my car, but I'm not going where y'all thought I was going. I told you that I was going to Sam's Club this morning to go shopping, but I forgot. I forgot that I have a dentist appointment this morning to get my teeth cleaned. Something that I desperately need, not because my teeth aren't healthy and my gums aren't healthy, because I take tremendous care, but as I've said many times before, because of all my attempts at whitening my teeth throughout my lifetime. All of that stuff basically destroyed so much of the enamel on my bottom teeth. And no matter what I do, I have a lot of bone exposed and it stains like crazy. And every 4 months, I go in and they do the best they can. Now, the alternative to that basically is getting veneers, caps, some other very expensive and painful procedures, and the only benefit of all of that, all that money and suffering in the dentist chair, is I would be able to maybe be a little prettier. And at my age, as pretty as I already am, that's kind of at the bottom of my priority list. And if people don't subscribe to me because I don't have porcelain white sparkly teeth, that's pretty superficial and better off probably without those people. So here I am. Just wanted to tell you that I should be back at home. Time to post this video. I want to invite you to come to my live stream tonight. I'd like to see more people in those live streams. I think they're entertaining, and I've got a lot of really interesting stuff to talk about tonight, as well as interacting with my friends and supporters in the chat, answering whatever questions may come up. Anyway, 8 o'clock tonight, that's June the 11th, Tuesday at 8 p.m. on my channel. And I should be a little prettier tonight with my newly cleaned teeth. So this is short and sweet. I'm just about getting on the interstate. My dentist is in Orlando, so I have about an hour drive. I stick with my old and trusty dentist over there, even though I moved over here 10 years ago. That's why some people ask me, why the hell do you drive for an hour to get to the dentist? And I tell them, that's my dentist. He knows me, I know him, and I have a lot of confidence in him. And for a 1 hour drive each way every 4 months, it's worth it. It's worth it for me. So I do it. I'm tentatively planning on making that little Sam's Club trip tomorrow morning. That is, if the weather forecast doesn't hold true and it's drenching, pouring down rain, then I'll just have to put it off. Fortunately, I keep enough food where I never panic or get so close that I have to go to the store. I got enough eggs for a couple more days, 3 more days, plenty of bacon, plenty of meat, plenty of stuff in the freezer. So there really is no imperative for me to head to Sam's Club. I'm going to try to do that tomorrow. I'm going to take this 360 camera in there with me. It'll be obvious to anybody that I'm filming. I think they probably have a policy against that, but when I go in the morning, it's generally pretty empty. So I'm going to give it a shot. Worst comes to worst, they tell me to stop. At which point, I guess I'll stop, but we'll see. So, hopefully, see you on my live stream tonight. I will see you, hopefully, from Sam's Club tomorrow. And with that, take the rest of the day off and eat meat.